What's happening, Food Pandas? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I know that I've shown you some Kodiak cakes before, but I've discovered this one. What they have is a brownie in a cup. So if you want to check out my video on the muffin or the pancake in a cup, check those out for sure. But I love brownies, and this one is chocolate fudge. So who in their right mind would not scramble to pick one of these up? Protein packed and 2.3 ounces. All the powder's in here, but there's a ton of space. And so these are things that are easy to take with you. Now, the only thing that you're going to need, and this is going to be the issue, is if you're traveling and staying in hotels, you'll probably have access to a microwave, things like that. But if you're camping, probably not. So how do you make this? Well, first of all we do is remove this top lid, and then we just take a quarter cup of regular cold water, regular tap water. It says use milk for an extra 2 grams of protein, and then you just stir it up until it becomes a nice little batter, and then you just microwave on high for 1 minute. Now, it also says if you have dime-sized wet spots, add 10 to 15 seconds on it. So let's go ahead and do this thing up and see what kind of brownie we get out of it. So 1 minute's up, and oh, look at that. Looks like we have a real brownie in there. Now, it didn't fill up the whole cup, especially the muffin and the pancake kind of rise and are so fluffy and not dense that they rise up and kind of fill up the whole cup. But this is, feels more dense right off the bat and is sitting much lower, about a third of the way down. So let's give it a little try. All right, so I'm gonna take a little piece of it right there. Sucker's still really hot. It's really hot, but it's like a brownie! What? It's a brownie! I wonder if I let it cool off a little bit, kind of settle in, become a little more denser, almost like a baked pan brownie. But it's weird because I guess it's the mixture or something, but I was really expecting it to be a lot more airy, a lot more fluffy, like the muffin, like the pancake, but they're just more light and airy and fluffy. And this is much more dense. Now, it may not be quite as dense as like a oven-baked brownie, but as you can see, I mean, it really looks like a brownie, smells like it, and some of the unmelted chocolate, or kind of the barely melted chocolate on the top, even kind of gives a little topping like a brownie. Wow. I'll be honest. This is a quick and easy way to make yourself a dessert. Whether you're on the road and are packing these for a trip, or whether you're just sitting at home, man, I can totally see on a cold winter's night this winter, popping one of these into the microwave and enjoying a nice, tasty, decadent, hot, freshly baked treat. Crazy! Love it. Check it out. This is my favorite Kodiak cake so far. I'm glad I bought a case of them. I'll put a link to them in the description if you want to check it out. Peter Von Panda, out.